Alright guys, welcome back. So today's Wednesday and we're at John's house. Pete is not here. He is gallivanting around the east coast of the United States. On his way to the Bahamas with his wife. Doing family stuff. So yeah, we're here working on his car, just doing some polishing. So
it's hard to polish a turd, but
so just finishing up some little odds and ends projects. My light is flickering, flashing here. I'll kill that. Yeah, just doing some finishing up projects. We got to get his tachometer working, and we got the dash kind of ripped apart right now. You'll see a little more about that later. And so I got another tachometer from a buddy in the States. So we're going to try to see if this one works in his cluster. I know it's a different year. This is from an 87 to 89. And when they went to airbags in 90, the bottom of this was kind of like cut out some more. But if this tack works, then I don't know if I can modify it, put this this motor and guts in that one, make something work, but we're gonna figure it out. If that work, we got to put his shifter back together on the console and just see if we can do a couple little more fixes. But you know, an hour more of working on the car is an hour closer to being done, so we're gonna get cracking.
An hour closer to being another hour closer.
Alrighty, catch you guys in a sec. Alright, we're getting back on John's shifter issue here. Got the spacers cut in half, and we're getting it together. So once we put the screws back in here and the boot back on, get back at you and show you where the shifter handle ends up. Should be just like mine was. Yeah, that's got a hard gate. So there it is. Offset really nice, kind of just like how stock is. Some good height.
I like it.
How's the clutch feel?
Good. I mean, it actually feels like a little bit lighter of a pressure, pedal pressure than the last one.
Oh, I had the gizmo to space that cable. I forgot it. So, because it comes with the Maximum Motorsports cable kit, it's like a little spacer. It pulls on the cable more, so we can
tighten up
on the adjuster.
What's up there.
So yeah. So this is John's tachometer.
This is my tack right
set up
here.
for the track.
Yeah, for now.
And we gotta get rid of that
because that's good.
And we have to replace or get into the cluster.
Yep.
And get at that one. So we're gonna get to that next.
Yep.
So we're messing with the tachometer, and we got no love out of the other one either. So we went back into the hood, and John will here show you the wiring that we were messing with. That's what I did wrong.
Yeah. So what I did was, this is our line for the tack, and this is in the correct pin now. We actually had it in, I think it was the far over, it was the last one, right?
It was the corner one underneath it.
Corner, yeah, exactly. So the corner one right there underneath, and went basically down to where this electrical tape is. That was what it correlated with, and that was no bueno. So Mike found that after we pulled the binnacle apart and everything, and this is where we are. So
I would think that this is going to work, because it always did kick when we turned the key.
Yep, it would always come alive. There it is.
You see it's already bumping.
Yeah. Alright. You might have to get
there you go. Alright.
So there
Before
it
we
is.
suffocate ourselves.
Yeah, we're not leaving the engine running very long because the door is closed because it's winter in England. So
alright, we'll leave it like this.
Yep.
I want to bring the rest of the LEDs down that I put in my dash. I got 6 left. So that'll go into his cluster.
And then he's gonna
also
the bezel. I put it over on the other side.
Yeah, we're gonna go show him that real quick.
Yeah, but this is the bezel, and you can see, maybe you can, maybe you can't. It's a very gloss like, and the remainder of the dash that I have is weathered and old, so we're gonna give it kind of a little bit more of a matte look to make it look like the rest of it, so it's not too shiny and stands out.
I have some SEM interior paint, satin black, and that's gonna just make it look like everything else and make it perfect. So, but yeah, the way they come from LMR, they're just way too glossy and shiny, like they just came out of the mold, and so it'll dull it down real nice. And so we're wrapping it up. John's opening the door here to vent this smoke. We're dying. Carbon monoxide. So, but yeah, good. Tack works. So I was happy about that. That's a $0 fix. It's bad on me for messing the wiring up. But yeah, I don't know how I messed it up, but I did. So
he sabotaged it so he could come back and work on it more.
So shift is in, tack's fixed. I'm going to be painting the binnacle, and we're doing some more little fixes. And man, the weather's gotten lousy here in the UK.
It is England. Holy cow, it's cold.
So I got a little list of things I need to do. John's got a little list of things he needs to buy. And so I'll talk to you guys soon.